Hey everybody, John Fritz from Bird Dog Woodworks. Well, I wanted to give you guys an update on what's been going on for the past 6 weeks, particularly last month, and the reason why I've been blowing my due dates. As you can see, my mom, she finally passed away last Friday the 11th after dealing 8 years with dementia. And it was, bar none, the absolute worst thing I've ever gone through. She was 89. My dad, 91, bless his heart, he was a trooper, because she didn't know what was going on. And we had her in memory care for the last month, trying to make things as easy as possible, but it just sucked. There's just no getting around it. I can't describe to you, if you haven't gone through a loved one with dementia, it's just horrible because a piece of them dies every day. It's not sudden, and she was sharp as a tack for anything in the past. Short-term memory was what was the worst, and her body just finally gave out. But anyways, I'm gonna miss her terribly. She was a really, really good gal, and I'll get back on track at work. I'll get caught up. Hopefully, the next couple of weeks or so, my help will be back, and we can go from there. So until then, give love to the ones that are still with you. Take care.